You say you want a revolution, well, you know, we all want to change the world.
What are you doing? I can't do this right now.
You tell me that it's evolution, well, you know, yeah, we all want to change the world.
Jude, please, don't.
But when you talk about destruction, don't you know that you can count me out?
What the hell are you doing here,
It's not
friend?
the time. Not
You
now.
know it's gonna be
Escort him to the door.
alright. You know
Thank
it's
you.
gonna
I'm
be alright. You know it's gonna be alright.
Now stand aside, worthy adversary.
'Tis but a scratch.
A scratch? Your arm's off.
No, it isn't.
Well, what's that then?
I've heard worse.
You liar.
Come on, you pansy.
Well, what are you then?
I'm French. Why do you think I have this outrageous accent, you silly king?
What are you doing in England?
Mind your own business.
I'm gonna get you.
I'm gonna be your best friend. Good feelings gone.
I'm a moth. Half man, half dog. I'm my own best friend.
He's cuckoo, dude. He's absolutely out of his mind.
I must have drank me about 15 Dr. Peppers.
You're an embarrassment to nature. Do you know that?
Okay, that does it. Screw you guys. I'm going home.
I cannot listen to any of your instructions, for you are my sworn enemy, and are about to meet your demise.
That is so lame.
You see that evil will always triumph because good is dumb.
Good grief.
I am the Lorax. I speak for the trees.
Well, this sucks.
Hey, wait, I just remembered something. You're boring, and my legs work.
Why must I be surrounded by frickin' idiots?
It won't take you to the vet. You're obviously not their favorite pet. Smelly cat, it's not your fault.